Okay, so I'm going to make kinetic sand, and I am going to use the second way that that girl used in the video demonstration. So I have cornstarch, dish soap, sand, and then I'll use water. So for the second way, she put the cornstarch in a container. She said about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And then she added a lot of dish soap in order to make a substance sort of like oobleck. Let's see. Need a lot more dish soap. It's getting better. Not quite a liquid, not quite a solid. And then actually for this way, I just remembered she didn't use water. She just added the sand right after this. So I'm going to add the sand into this instead of adding that into the sand. And I'm just going to do it a little at a time. Oop, not a little at a time. Came out faster than I wanted to. Let's see. Ah, it actually does have, I feel like you might need a little more sand. But I can definitely tell that it molds together. Alright. Yeah. So when you mold it, it'll stay and stick to itself, but then it'll also lose its shape and act more like a liquid. So that is my kinetic sand. So the reason that this sand's called kinetic sand is because it has a polymer coating to it, and it's called polydimethylsiloxane, I think. And it makes the kinetic sand just behave more like wet sand. So you can like sculpt it, like I showed in my hands, but then if you just let it go over time, it'll act kind of more like a liquid. It'll just flow more, and it'll just move in different ways. And so I think it's because of that polymer coating that I use the cornstarch and the soap to make that coating. So it sticks to itself and it doesn't stick to anything else, which makes it clean or easy to clean up. And if it moves just a little, it takes the other sand with it, which is why it's kinetic sand and not just normal sand. So yeah, that was my kinetic sand experiment.